it make me feel good. I trying to get you out my bed, but I still can't get you in my head.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So, in this video, I got the two new Nishas. A lot of people have already reviewed these. Mine just came in the mail like yesterday, so here we are. I have Nisha 205 in DR2 ChocSwiss, and I have Nisha 204 in 1B. So I try to give y'all a little color, a little natural color, you know, a little best of both worlds. This is a collab. Yes, I'm doing more collabs now. This is a collab with the OG SamoreLove. So when you finish watching this video, please go show her page some love and check out her Nisha review and see what she thinks about these units, because there's always mixed reviews when it comes to the Nishas. All right, so let's get popping trying on these units. So I think I'm gonna try on Nisha 204 first in the 1B. So let's take a look. Okay, so thick as usual, like I expected. It looks a little manufactured to me. I understand, it's an affordable synthetic wig, so it's not gonna look the best, but it does look a little manufactured curl to me. But I'm sure we can work with that, fix it up once I start working on the wig. It is a brown lace tone. Looks like you can go, if you have a darker skin tone than me, then it should blend like right on perfect. And then if you're a little bit lighter, a little lighter powder, clear that right up for you, because it is a lace part unit. It doesn't look like it's curved. It's a straight lace part unit. There, you can see that. Two combs on the side, in the back with the adjustable straps, and then there's a cap that is breathable. You can scratch your scalp. The parting space seems to be about 4 inches. And it doesn't look like you can pluck it farther than that. Some units, like with synthetic lace part units, you can actually pluck them a little bit farther than they come. But this isn't the case. It's about 4 inches back. So let's try her on, see what we're working with. Is this the middle part one or the... Okay. So this is supposed to be worn in the middle part. I didn't see myself on camera yet, sorry. But a lot of people said they liked it on the side part. This is definitely a snug cap, because this is like pulling on my forehead right now. But yeah, this is definitely not big head friendly. But we'll come back and revisit that once I cut off the lace. I think I'm gonna like this in the middle part, because I'm just the middle part queen. Like that's my jam. That's what I do. I may or may not widen the part. I think I'm going to see what it's like once I just do it the normal way, and then I'll go back and tweeze it out if I need to. But it's seeming like it's probably gonna need to be tweezed. You see how narrow that's looking and how bulky it is. I do like though that the texture feels really soft, because sometimes these natural texture wigs can be very hard and very dry. So I'm gonna cut this lace off real quick, and then I'll get into installing the unit. So it feels a little bit better once I've cut the lace off. It's not as snug as it was feeling with the lace on, because that was ridiculously snug. I was like, oh my god. I like how the lace is like immediately blending in with my skin there, even though there's not much to see. It is way too thick, so I'm gonna work on thinning this out. But the hard part is with this one is I want to maintain the integrity of the curls. So I'm gonna figure out how to thin this out without ruining the look. It does say that it's heat safe up to 400 degrees, so I have it on about 15 on my hot comb. That's what I'm going to be using. So let's see what this is working with. I have to be quite honest. I don't really like it like that. It's okay. I liked it on other people, But I don't know. This just isn't, it's not the unit for me. It's not that it's ugly or anything. It's just not the unit for me. Yeah, I would definitely recommend that you shear this down and get some of this weight off because sis got too much. Yeah, this isn't my fave. The cap for sure is small because like this is where it's covering me. You can actually kind of still see my wig cap. It didn't give me any issues with styling as far as like tangling and shedding. And like, you know, you can see me running my hands through it. It's not giving me any issues. But I don't really like this one. I'm not too much of a fan. I would like it more if it had like, hold on, ow. Like it needed to be like, this could go. Like all this could go. You see that? Much better. Like it's ridiculous that you could take out this much hair from each side and it'd still be super full. Like this would have been a great density without like literally this much hair. So I got my other earring. Some people say they like to shift it to the side, so I'm gonna try that real quick. Maybe I feel differently.
Just the way you do, so innocent. She seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you. You remind me of a girl that I.
Okay, I do like it a little more to the side, but I'm still not feeling it too much. Like it's not moving me. With those curls brushed out, it does look more like of a natural texture instead of looking like real manufactured and synthetic. But yeah, overall, it's personal, but I'm just not feeling this one too much. You know, it's just too much hair for me. So I didn't really check, but I don't know if I saw it or not on the first one. But this one definitely has baby hair. I feel like the second one probably did too, because I mean, why would they make one without baby hair and not the other? I think I'm gonna like this one a lot better than the first one, even though it's still a thickums. I feel like I'm still gonna like it. It is another one that is snug, but this seems a little less snug than 204, but nonetheless still snug. So move this out the way. So for sure, Nisha's, well, at least 204 and 205 are definitely not big head friendly. That's for sure. And then again, the color I have this in is the DR Chocolate Swirl. The lace parting curves a little bit on this one. Can you see it? It is a bit of a narrow parting space. But this one seems just a little less like bulky than the other one. I'm not sure why the baby hair is on this. Like, I had this problem with the Sensational, the Alpha and the Boss Lady ones. I had that same problem where these baby hairs don't match the texture of the wig right. Like, why are the baby hairs already curly, but this hair isn't curly? But I guess some wigs are like that too, that aren't, you know, necessarily natural textured. But I don't know. I'm just like a little confused. I really hope I like this one more than I like the first one, because the first one like took my energy level down. I wasn't feeling it. I'm sure some people will like it, because I'm not saying it's a bad wig. It's just not my cup of tea. But yeah, like when I don't like a wig, it takes my energy down. So I hope I like this one more so I get my energy back up. And it's crazy because even though they were thick too, I really like Nisha 202 and I think 203 I had the long one and the other short one. I'm for sure that one was 202. This one also has like a nice soft texture to the coarseness, so it's not hard and dry, feeling like a Brillo pad. This one, you guys, is so much more comfortable than the other one was. Okay, my energy is lifting. It's coming back. Look at that. Whole edge covered. Almost on both sides, but good enough. And this has a little bit less curl in it, so I don't feel so like I'm ruining the wig by kind of straightening it out. And this actually doesn't seem like it's all the way too thick to me. seem to have some tangling around the ends in it, so beware of that. The combs, if you use combs, fit right where they should. Yeah, I think I'm liking this one a whole lot more than the other one. Lord, I done messed up the wig a little bit. Help me fix it. Fix it, Jesus. So I'm trying to like make a makeshift curling wand because I don't feel like taking out my curling wand and fix this curl. Let me see if it'll wrap around my finger. Bring the curl back. I'm so glad this is heat safe. Hey, I'm gonna leave that alone for a second because I don't want to mess it back up. And while that's setting that curl, I'm gonna just add some powder in the part. Yeah, I for sure like this unit more. It's thick, but it's like a thick I can subscribe to. Like, it's not overpoweringly thick. And even though I did have to flatten it down, it wasn't like something crazy. I got a little overzealous over here, and it made this side a little bit flatter than this side. But, you know, it's not the end of the world. This is definitely bringing my energy level just back up. I'm feeling this one so much more. I love the color of this unit. And I love this like kind of 90s style meets, you know, everyday office unit style to me. This wig got me feeling like an early 2000s just for me perm box. I would definitely watch what heat you put it on because as you can see, I almost took the curl all the way out. And it just seems like, you know, you don't want to go too high on the heat with these. That's what I'm definitely getting from both of them. 400 degrees or less. This one I would consider big head friendly because like I still have room to stretch it out in the back. And it's fitting on my head like just right. So if you have a larger head and you're into the niches, like this is the one. It is giving me a little bit of shedding. Very, very light though. But it is, you know, just a little bit. I really like the length on this unit. Not too long, not too short. Outside of these being real thick. And you know what? Outre, step into my office real quick. Listen, let's talk. Please stop making these so thick. Like, please, I beg of you. Like, I love the natural units. I love the texture you guys are coming with. But please stop making them so thick. Coarse hair is just thick within itself. It doesn't need so much hair on the wig to make it work. Please stop making them so thick. Now, this one's not too bad. I already said that. But that first one, too thick. The other Nisha's too thick. The original Nisha, too thick. Like, let's just tone it down just a little. Just a little. But outside of that, I really do like the Nisha line. Other than that, they really don't give me any issues or trouble. Would definitely recommend this for beginners because of the texture being like on the natural side, so it's less detectable as a wig. And also because it's a lace part unit, so it's not as much to customize. So if you're new, you literally just got to cut the lace off, put your part in it. If you can, flatten it down for yourself, you know, make it to your liking. You can customize it for you. But I would definitely say this is beginner friendly. If you want to pick up these units, they will be linked down below in the description box for you. Don't forget to check out my girl Samore's channel and see what she thinks about these units because she might feel differently than I do. You never know. And, you know, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.